Anita McElroy. Great journalist.
Thank you, Mr. Journal Evaluator. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening.
It's my distinguished pleasure this evening to evaluate Anita McElroy. And this is her 9th speech. Objective is to persuade with power. And the title was Christmas Magic. And you know, if I were to ask and look at every person in this room, if I had to pick out a person that would reflect the spirit of Christmas, I would automatically select Anita. And that's for several reasons that I'll explain as part of my evaluation. One of the things I liked about her presentation was that it was very well organized. By organized, I mean, did you hear the structure she gave? How many segments were in her speech? Three. Everyone heard you. 3 segments. The reminiscing part, the recent times and the future. So that's very good structure. We were able to follow you very well. Another thing I liked is your props. Props weren't required as an objective of the speech, but you used a great mailbox prop. And I could envision you going out to the road where that mailbox is and pulling Christmas cards out. The other prop that you used, which was original, was the sound prop. How many times in here have you heard someone show a singing Christmas card? That was a first. Well, we enjoyed that. You used emotion to persuade us to write personalized Christmas cards rather than email. And that was one of the objectives of the speech. One of the things that I would suggest in the future, Anita, and that is you lost your place twice. And that happens to anyone, I understand that. Part of that is preparation. And part of that preparation, one of the things that may help you is to consider using transition words that bridge between the vignettes of your speech. You had 3 sections. When you prepare, think about the leading word or the first part of the sentence for each vignette, and that way it'll be easier to remember the connecting parts instead of having to go check your notes. I think one of the greatest things about when you speak, Anita, is you have a beautiful smile. And I bring that up because I am so envious of people who have naturally, they just smile when they speak. Because I have to force it. It's hard for me to do that. And so I'm envious of someone who has a naturally beautiful smile and a warm spirit. And that warm spirit is a great asset as a public speaker. People like to listen to you. You're easy to listen to. And a warm spirit also and a beautiful smile are great assets to this club, the Suncoast Toastmasters. And we appreciate you for that. And we appreciate you for achieving 9 out of the 10 speeches you need to become a competent communicator.